Okay, in this video we're going to about how you actually create new databases in MySQL finally. So before we go into the code, let's set the stage just a little bit. Currently we have a MySQL database server represented by this box that's running on our Cloud9 instance. So that's what happened when we did the MySQL-cto start that started up the database server. So now the command that I'm going to show you is what's allow us to create individual databases inside of the MySQL database server. So hypothetically, we could have a database for a dog walking up, another for a soap shop. We could have a practice database if we were just practicing some new code, some new lines of SQL you just want to try out, and maybe there's a new site database and they're all posted, they're all part of the same database server, but they are individual database inside. And that's really important to understand why. Let's zoom in a little bit on two of the databases, our dog walking app database and a soap shop databases. So inside of those two databases, we will store various entities or different data. So in a dog walking database, we'll probably need to store information about dogs, and in our soap shop database, we will need to store something about. So and there's a dog walking app likely has users, but so does our shop, and dog walking has payments, and so does our shop app. So they have to be separated. And if we just have to one database that everything was using on this server, there would be a lot of crossover and there would be issues. But if you had somebody who had the same name who used your dog walking app and they also use a soap shop app, and they kind of the screams crossed if you have that. So basically what we are going to learn how is to create each individual vault of databases inside of the highest of the vault servers we have running. Show databases. So let's the first line here we've already seen before, and it's just is list the current databases that exist and the SQL server. So the next piece of code is to create databases followed by the name of the database we would like to create. So in the scores when there is a variable, I'll use these brackets to signify there is just a place of folder. So we create a database soap store, we might name it soap underscore store. For a dog app, we'll create database dog app. We don't have to use store underscores, you can capitalize any letters. However, if you create databases my app, you cannot separate the places, it's not a good idea. So let's cross this dash. I don't recommend to do it. It's my recommendation with these first two, the soap store, use underscore everything lower score. So it's totally up to you. It's not a hard and fast rule, you can do this. For whatever you choose, make sure that you continue to use that just to avoid any confusions. So hey guys, let's come to the practical part. So I will show you how to create databases. So let's type MySQL over here, MySQL command line, then it will ask for password. So I've done over. Just increase is a little bit font size. 28 was a perfect one. Okay, so now let me show you how many databases. So right will show databases in semicolon. Okay, so here are the databases. So I will create a database of let's say Techno by the name. So write create database, then write the name Techno, then semicolon. Okay, so no affected. Let's move up arrow and then write show databases. Let's see it's stored or not. So here you can see that it is stored. So I will show you by the capitalized letter also. If we will create by this method, this create data base and let's say hello. Oh, hello. Okay. So it's not affected because it doesn't affect by capitalized letters. Let's say show databases. So here you can see that it is hello with the small letter. So I hope you understood this video. Please give thumbs up, and in the next video I will show you how to delete databases by using drop method. So let's meet in the next video. Stay tuned for YouTube channel. This is Ayan Ahmad signing off.
Through the wastelands, through the